Number 1. Hidimba Temple. Also known by the names of Hidimba Devi Temple and Dhungari Temple, this ancient shrine was built by Maharaja Bahadur Singh way back in 1553. As the name suggests, the temple is dedicated to Hidimba Devi, wife of Bhima. The wooden architecture of the shrine is very distinct from most Hindu temples you will come across in the country. Surrounded by thick cedar groves and with snow-capped mountains serving as the backdrop, the temple is one of the best places to visit in Manali. Number 2. Solang Valley. A mini valley located at about 8,400 feet above sea level, Solang Nala is a short drive away from Manali. It is heaven for adventure and sports lovers, and while here, you can try your skills on a pair of skis or go for a snowmobile exploration. When the weather warms up, people flock here for zorbing and paragliding. You can also hop onto the cable car and enjoy mesmerizing views of the Himalayas. Number 3. Jogini Waterfalls. The rushing cascades of Jogini Falls are a short and invigorating trek away from the main town of Manali. The trail that leads to the waterfall is scenic and gives you a glimpse of the river Beas and the snow-capped peaks of Rohtang. Apart from the serene setting, Jogini is also an important place of pilgrimage, and you can visit many old shrines around the pool at the bottom. An early start is recommended so that you can spend more time this picturesque natural spot, which is one of the top trekking as well as picnic places in Manali. Number 4. Manu Temple. The Manu Temple is dedicated to an old sage after whom it has been named. The pagoda-style architecture of the shrine stands out amidst the deep valleys and mountains peaks that form a postcard-worthy backdrop. You will have to hike a little to reach the temple, but the views at the summit and the spiritual vibes it exudes make it all efforts completely worth it. Number 5. Bhrigu Lake. Take a moment and think of postcard-perfect alpine meadows and evergreen tree forest near a serene high-altitude water body. Well, you have just now pictured Bhrigu Lake, one of the best trekking destinations around Manali. A bit of acclimatization is needed if you are going for a trek, as the lake is located more than 4,000 meters above sea level. The scenery and panoramic views of the Pir Panjal range are what draws most visitors to this place. Number 6. Hamta Pass. Counted as one of the easy to medium difficulty Himalayan treks, the Hamta Pass trek allows you to enjoy mesmerizing views of the Kullu Valley and Lahaul Valley. The Chandratal Lake, located en route, is another key attraction of the trek. The pass is located on the Pir Panjal range at an elevation of over 4,000 meters, and the route includes fascinating river crossings. There are many groups in Manali that conduct Hamta Pass trekking tours, and their charges vary based on the itinerary and number of the days. Number 7. Himalayan Yingmapa Buddhist Temple. The soothing silence of the Yingmapa Buddhist Temple in Manali will calm even the most frazzled of nerves. This Shangri-La lake heaven sits in the middle of the busy town, while its pagoda-style architecture and vibrant tones add a mystical allure to the whole setting. While here, you don't forget to spin the prayer wheels and admire the Sakyamuni idol and wall paintings. Counted among the best monasteries in Manali, Yingmapa is where you can connect with your spiritual side. Number 8. Nehru Kund. A natural spring located on the Manali-Rohtang Pass highway, Nehru Kund is a good place to visit during summers. The spring is named so because Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, used to visit it during his stay in Manali and drink water from his natural spring. The clear waters and the calm Himalayan landscapes make this a good stop for those heading over to the Rohtang Pass. It goes without saying that Nehru Kund makes for an ideal destination for photographers and nature lovers. Number 9. Museum of Himachal Culture and Folk Art. A quick stop at the Museum of Himachal Culture and Folk Art is recommended for those who want a glimpse into the traditions and rich local heritage of the region. Some of the exhibits here include a collection of masks used in festival dances, traditional garments, and musical instruments. Established in 1998, this small yet culturally rich place also has models of ancient houses and temples. Number 10. Van Vihar. If you are looking for some tranquil moments in the bohemian setting of Manali town, a short stroll through the Van Vihar Park is highly recommended. One of the most popular attractions in Manali, Van Vihar is a public park completed in lush greeneries and sky-touching deodar trees. You can never hop onto a boat and maneuver around the man-made lake here. Bird watchers will enjoy spotting local species in the park, especially in the morning hours. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.